Hello everyone, it's Randy with Detail Authority. So today we have several Teslas in the shop. We've pulled two inside here to give you a view of what we're going to be doing to this particular car. This Tesla will be wrapping the entire vehicle bumper to bumper. This Tesla here is one that we've just finished up. We did a full front end wrap on this with the XPEL Paint Protection Film. We did the XR Prime window tint, and we also applied a ceramic coating to the exterior. This car here, as you can see, is missing various pieces of trim. We've taken off the side cameras, the trim on the wheel well. We have also removed the lower belt molding, the upper window trim, the rear belt molding. On the back here, we've also removed the rear quarter panel wheel trim. And then on the back tailgate here, we've removed the inner lights, the badging for the dual motor, the Tesla emblem, and the same thing through the other side. And the reason we do this is not only to avoid any kind of lines or evidence of anything is installed on the car, but as you can see on the edge of these pieces of trim, there's lots of dirt and debris in here. So as we're installing film, we don't want stuff flushing out and getting underneath the film to provide the best quality job for you as we possibly can. So now we're going to pull this outside. We're going to do a complete wash, a decontamination process, both a chemical and a physical process, thoroughly clean the vehicle, and then we'll pull it back inside, dry it off, and get started installing the film. This Tesla is brand new with only 23 miles on it. And as you can see, the fallout remover is breaking down all of the ferrous oxides or brake dust that have been embedded in the paint through transportation in just a few miles that the vehicle has been driven. Just because a car is brand new doesn't mean that these kind of embedded particles are not in the paint. Proper cleaning and preparation is imperative for the best install. So we are finished with the Tesla Model Y. As you can see, the vehicle is ready for delivery. Every bit of white paint on this vehicle has been protected with XPEL Ultimate Paint Protection Film. The front badge, the rear badges have also been removed prior to the install and then reapplied. The headlights were also done to protect them from any kind of rock or stone chips as well. All of the edges were wrapped inside of the fender trim area here on the back side of the door jambs. The A-pillars are wrapped inside the jamb here as well on the top side. The doors are wrapped on all sides and also underneath the belt molding. Rear quarter panel is wrapped on the inside of the door jamb here as well, inside the trim. The back hatch, appropriate edges are wrapped, tucked down inside the glass. On the back here, rear badges were removed. Film was installed and then reapplied the badge over top of film to provide a clean, professional look, as well as the dual motor badge. This vehicle not only got XPEL Paint Protection Film, but it also received the XPEL XR window tint. This particular shade is a 35%. Gives great heat reduction, keeping the car cooler on the inside and allowing your car to get more mileage or longer range. On the interior here, we have done the 3 console pieces with the XPEL Stealth Film. The Stealth Film is going to protect the interior pieces. Typically this comes as a shiny, glossy, black material that scratches extremely easy. From fingernails, putting your keys, drinks on the console here, all this area gets scratched. By using the Stealth film, it gives a nice classic look. Still a little bit of the shiny, glossy area. In addition to that, you have the chrome or aluminum trim exposed as well. Changes the look of the interior, dulls it down, and matches more of the matte finish with the rest of the trim on the interior. A very popular item with the Tesla Model 3 and Model Ys. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have a Tesla or any other vehicle you'd like to get XPEL Paint Protection Film, XPEL Window Tint, or even XPEL Fusion Ceramic Coating, please give us a call here at Detail Authority, 703-978-7800, or on the web at detailauthority.com.